look at him. Don't look at him. Just look at the floor. Ah, hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Morrow. I'm Leo.
And I'm Sophia. Leo, who were you hiding from?
My neighbor. I was in the elevator with him for 10 floors. He looked at me, I looked at him, and we said nothing.
Oh no, the awkward silence.
It was terrible. The air felt heavy. I wanted to say something, but my brain was empty. I just stared at the buttons. 1, 2, 3.
Leo, you are not alone. Small talk is terrifying for many students. You know the grammar, you know the words, but you don't know how to start.
Exactly. I feel like if I speak, I will sound stupid, so I stay silent.
Not anymore. Today, we are going to teach you the secret rules of small talk. By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk to neighbors, colleagues, and strangers without any fear.
Save me from the awkward elevator, Sophia. Let's begin.
Rule number 1. Leo, if I ask you, how are you? What do you say?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Stop.
What? That is what the textbooks taught me.
It is grammatically correct, but in conversation, I'm fine is a wall. It ends the conversation. It sounds robotic.
Okay, so what should I say instead?
Try these natural alternatives. Not too bad, thanks. Pretty good. Or if you want to be honest, I've been better. I'm so tired.
Oh, I like not too bad. It sounds very casual.
Yes. And after you answer, you must ask back. But don't just say, and you?
What do I say?
Say, how about yourself? Or, how were things with you?
Not too bad, thanks. How about yourself? Hey, that flows much better. Okay, we said hello, but now the silence is coming back. What do we talk about? Politics? Religion?
No. Keep it safe. The best topic in the world is the weather.
The weather? Isn't that a cliche?
It is a cliche because it works. Everyone experiences the weather. It is the perfect icebreaker.
Okay, so I look at the sky and say, the sun is yellow.
No, Leo. You need to add an opinion. Listen to these 3 phrases. If it is sunny, beautiful day, isn't it?
Beautiful day, isn't it?
If it is hot, it is boiling out there.
It is boiling. I felt that yesterday.
And if it's cold or raining, can you believe this weather?
I love that one. Can you believe this weather? It invites the other person to complain with you, and complaining together builds friendship.
Now here is the most important secret. I call it the tennis rule.
The tennis rule? Do I need a racket?
No. Imagine conversation is a ball. If I hit the ball to you and you catch it and hold it, the game stops.
Okay.
You have to hit it back. Never give a one-word answer.
Give me an example.
If I say, "Did you have a good weekend?" and you say, "Yes," and then the conversation is dead.
RIP conversation.
Instead, use the formula answer plus detail plus question. Yes, I went to the park with my dog. Did you do anything fun?
Ah, you hit the ball back to me. Answer, yes. Detail, I went to the park. Question, did you do anything fun?
Exactly. This keeps the energy flowing.
Okay, Sophia, I am ready. Let's go back to the elevator. I'm seeing my neighbor again.
Okay, here he comes. Morning, Leo.
Good morning. How are things with you?
Not too bad. Just heading to work.
Can you believe this rain? It hasn't stopped all week.
I know, it's terrible. I forgot my umbrella yesterday and got soaked.
Oh no, that is the worst. Well, I hope you stay dry today.
Thanks, Leo. Have a good one.
I did it. I spoke. And it wasn't awkward.
That was perfect, Leo. You used a natural greeting, you talked about the weather, and you kept the tennis ball moving.
I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. Small talk is the bridge to big talk. You just need to cross it.
Exactly. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just focus on connecting.
We have a challenge for you this week. Try to start a small conversation with one stranger. It could be a cashier, a neighbor, or a taxi driver.
And tell us in the comments below, what is the weather like in your city today? Use the phrases we learned.
Is it boiling? Is it a beautiful day? Let us know.
Thank you for watching Slow English with Mr. Morrow.
Don't fear the silence. Speak up. Bye for now.
See you next time.